Good morning, students. In the last class we saw problem up to fifth problem. Today we are going to see sixth problem onwards. So yesterday I gave, in last class I gave a number, that is volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. I hope you got answer. So today we are going to see sixth problem. Today's our object is same object yesterday's. That is object to solve the problem based on curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the cone. So we are going to see the sixth problem. So question number 6. The height of a tent is given 9 meters. Its base diameter is 24 meters. What is the slant height? You have to find L value. Find the cost of the canvas cloth required. Cost for 14 rupees per square meter. I want to write data. Given height of a tent, which is a cone. Height of the cone is given, that is 9 meters. So height h equals to 9 meters. Next, its diameter is 24 meters. Diameter d equals to 24 meters. So what about radius? Half of the diameter. So 24 meters, half of the 12 meters. So what you have to find? First question is that what is the slant height? So we know the r value, we know the h value. We have to find L. We know the relation among slant height, height of the cone, radius. It is a right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. L square equal to h square plus r square. So L square equals to h square plus r square. What is L value? We don't know. We only have h equals to 9. So L square equals to 9 square plus 12 square. So L square equals to, what is the 9 square? That is 81 plus 12 square, 144. So L square equal to 81 plus 144, 225. So L equals to under root of 225. You know under root of 225 we can write as 15 square. Square root get cancelled. So we get L equals to 15 meters. What you have to find? So find the cost of the canvas cloth required if it is cost 14 per square meter. So we have to find curved surface area after folding. So for this you have to find the CSA of cone. CSA equals to 5 R L. 5 equals to 20 by 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is a 12 meters into L, that is 15. So that equals to, so I don't want to simplify this one, I want to give as it is, that is CSA. So for this area, so there is a reason why I am not doing calculation. We have to find not CSA, we have to find the cost required for the canvas cloth, nothing but cost of canvas equals to CSA of cone into cost per meter square. So CSA of cone we can write without simplification 22 by 7 into 12 into 15 into cost per meter square is given. Cost per meter square is a 14 rupees. So we can substitute here 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. This is the reason why I am not simplified. So 7 we can cancel. 7 twos are. So next remaining 22 into 12 into 15 into 2. If you simplify this one, you will get the cost for the canvas. So that is 22 into 12 into 12 into 15 into 2, that is 30. So next 30, 12 into 30, 36, 0. 22 into 360. So next 360 into 22. 0, 2, 1, 6, 7, 720. Again we will get it 720. 0, 2, 9, 7. So the required RS 7,920 rupees, which are required for the canvas. So next, if you see the seventh question, question number 7 and 8. First you have to see the seventh question. So seventh question is, the curved surface area of the cone is given. So what is given? CSA of cone is 1159 pi by 7, and area of the base is given. Area of base equals to, again is given 254 4 by 7 centimeters. So what we have to find? Find its value. We have to find the value of the cone. So do you want to find the value of the cone? We know already 1 by 3 pi r square h. For this the required radius of the base, height of the cone. So for that, if you take the area of the base, you know already pi r square, nothing but area of the base. For the cone we get the circle. So area of the base, nothing but area of the circle, is equal to, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So after that, if you simplify, once say how to convert 254 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 2, 35, 37, 14, 3, 17 plus 4. Is 2, 1, 8, 7, 1, 7, 8, 2 by 7. This we can write 22 by 7 into r square equals to 1782 by 7. We can cancel 7 and 7. Okay, we can go for cancellation with 11 table. According to that, we will get the r square value after getting the radius. So what you will take after getting radius? CSA formula we know. Once we will get the radius, if we simplify this one, after that we have to take the CSA of cone, that is pi r l. That is, you have to convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you will get the 1159 5 by 7. So if you substitute r value in that, you will get the slant height. So after getting slant height, what you have to do? We have the relation L H. So we require H value. So we can apply formula L square equal to H square plus R square. From that we will get the height of the cone. Once if you know height of the cone, you are able to find the value of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Once again we have to see this problem you have to do at home. So first CSA of cone is given, that is pi r l. So in that two are unknowns, r is unknown, l is unknown. Better to go for area of the base is given. Area of the base nothing but area of the circle, that is pi r square. From this we can be able to find the value of r, nothing but radius of the base. By using this radius we can find the slant height. So actually we require r and h, but directly we can't find the h. After getting l and r value, apply the Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to H square plus R square. From that you can get the H value. Once if you know H and R, you are able to find the value of the cone. I hope you will do this problem. See the question number 8. I want to read the question. A tent is cylindrical to a height of 4.8. One tent is there. Up to some portion it is a cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder? This is up to 4.8. Next, conical above it. It is a cone above it. This is very important. Up to here we have cylinder. Remaining part is the cone. Next, the radius of the base is 4.5 meters. Radius of the base is given, that is 4.5 meters. Next, the total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. This total height from one portion here, that is 10.8 meters. So find the canvas required for the tent in square meters. So what is given? So this is the data I want to write. Given. So what is given? Height of the cylinder is given 4.8. Height of cylinder H equals to 4.8 meters. Next, radius is given. Radius equals to 4.5 meters. So I don't want to mention radius of the cylinder or radius of cone because radius is the same base. So these two are congruent to each other. Otherwise they coincide. So radius of the cylinder, nothing but radius of the cone. So for both we can use 4.5 meters only. So generally I want to write R equals to 4.5 meters. Here I want to mention H1, nothing but height of the cylinder. So next, height of cone. So height of the cone H2 equals to, this total height is a 10.8. So cone plus cylinder height. So in that 4.8 is a cylinder. What is the remaining portion is a cone. Up to here cylinder, that is 4.8, remaining 10.8 minus 4.8, that is I think 6 meters. So conical portion is the 6 meters. So we get the height of the cone equals to 6 meters. So what we require, you want to find the canvas cloth, that is the CAC of cone, area of canvas cloth equals to, first CAC of cylinder plus CAC of cone. So CAC of cylinder we know formula 2 pi RH plus CAC of cone, that is pi RL. So 2 we know, 2 into 5 is 22 by 7, R equals to 4.5, we can substitute. H equals to height of the cylinder, H equals to 4.8 meters plus pi 22 by 7 into R, same radius 4.5 meters, but slant height, we don't know the slant height, we know radius and we know the radius, we know the height of the cone by using the formula L square equals to H square plus R square. From that we are able to find L value. Once if you know the L, we are able to find phi r l. If we add these two values, EAC of cylinder plus EAC of cone, then we will get the total canvas cloth required to form a 10 up to a cylinder, remaining is a cone. So if you try, we will get the answer. Otherwise, I will show the answer in the next class. Simple.